Okay, when installing the backplate, the only real challenge is the volume button. Essentially, you just slide the backplate on like this. But here, where the volume slider is located, you will notice it has a little groove at the bottom that will show you how to correctly insert it. And the thing is, you have to put the volume rocker in place before you can slide the backplate up. And sliding it up is essentially what locks in the backplate and holds it in place from there on. That's in place now. Okay, then there are 2 screws that go in here to hold the backplate in place permanently, on the left, on the right side. Once those are in place, you add the antenna cover, and that should snap in and close up the vise. That's it.